Mr. V here, and welcome to my third vlog on learning the basics of sign language. If you have missed the second lesson on people and family, you can find the link in the description below. In today's lesson, we will learn the basic handshapes and 15 pronouns commonly used in sign language. I will also give you the memory aid for each sign so it is easy for you to remember. Throughout the tutorials, you will notice basic handshapes which are used on how to form signs correctly. Become familiar with these following handshapes. The basic handshapes. Number 1, the and hand. When the and hand is mentioned, only the ending position is being referred to with all the fingertips touching. Number 2, the bent hand. The fingers are touching and bent at the knuckles. 3, closed hand. The hand is closed like the fist in the shape of an S hand. Next one is the curved hand. The fingers are curved and touching. Sometimes a term such as curved open hand used, in which case the fingers are kept bent but spread apart. Next one, clawed hand. Claw. The fingers are held apart and bent. Next is the flat hand. The hand is flat with fingers touching. Sometimes a term such as flat open hand is used. In this case, fingers are separated. And last is the open hand. The hand is held flat and fingers apart. And there you have the basic handshapes. And now let's proceed to the 15 commonly used pronouns in sign language. Number 1, I. The initial I in close proximity to the body suggests the individual. Number 2, me. Me. The signer directs attention to himself or to herself. Number 3, my, mine, own, or personal. The hand over the heart suggests protection of personal belongings. Number 4, myself or self. The thumb can be thought of as representing self. Number 5, you. The person being pointed to clearly understands the reference to self. You. Next, your or yours in plural. Yours or your. The flat hand and the left to the right movement symbolizes possession by several people. Yours. Next is yourself, herself, himself, itself, oneself, themselves, and yourselves. The jerky movement can suggest the individual nature of persons or things. 8, our. The circular movement suggests the inclusion of others. Our. Number 9, ourselves. The signs for our and self. Number 10, we or us. So W. Touching two shoulders suggests more than one person, or you, us, or we. They, them, these, or those. The signer directs attention by pointing, or others they use this for they. Next is that. That is often used in relation to either asking or answering a question. The Y hand suggests the interrogative why. 13. This. The right index finger points an object in the left hand, or both hands seems to be holding something. So this can be this or this. 14. Any. The thumb seems to be searching for something or someone. Any. And last but not the least, it. The initialized right hand indicates the word and seems to be pointing out someone specific. It. Before I end this video, it's time for a short quiz called Name the Sign. I only have 5 signs for you to guess. Let's have the first sign. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Feel free to put your answers on the comment section below, and don't forget to practice at home and enjoy signing. There you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below for any question. See you on our next basic sign language tutorial. Bye everyone, and thank you.